everyone, most of commercial banks in developing countries get their main revenue from traditional banking activities that come from the interest rate spread between lending rates minus time deposit rates. High interest rates doesn't mean a positive sign. It means inefficiency in banking industry on those countries. Sadly, Indonesia Commercial Bank has the highest net interest margins comparing with other four countries in ASEAN 5. This study chose Indonesia, Thailand, and Philippines because those three countries still adopted Basel II since 2010 until 2021. And also, those three countries are still classified as developing countries. This study will analyze most responsible factors to minimize net interest margins in commercial bank in Indonesia, Thailand, and Philippines using simultaneously equation model. This study reveals that the most contributing factors in commercial banks in Indonesia is Z-score. Z-score represents bank stability or market concentrations. With the higher market concentration and less competitive markets, banks are more willing to charge lower net interest margins. That's why regulators and government should encourage many small banks to merge together into a few big banks. Liquidity also plays a significant role to minimize net interest margin in commercial banks in Indonesia. Basel III requirements encourage Indonesian banks to increase their liquidity. But increasing liquidity will lead to lower profitability. With those lower profitability, commercial banks strive to seek more profit by charging high interest rate spread. So, Indonesian regulator should encourage commercial bank in Indonesia to focus more on off-balance sheet activities rather than depends on traditional banking activities. In Philippines, customer in Philippines shows a different characteristic comparing to Indonesia counterparts. They are willing to pay high interest margins for more credible and more stable commercial banks. However, Philippines banks should increase their capital adequacy ratio and deposit strength to achieve net interest margins, because highly capitalized banks are more capable of shielding economic shock or monetary tightening. However, customers in Thailand show a unique characteristic such as higher net interest margins due to the higher market concentrations. Big-sized bank actually has a more capability to lower net interest margins. But financial institutions in Thailand are very monopolistic. That's why regulators need to take actions to prevent further increase in interest rate. Moreover, largest bank in Thailand are banks with the highest market shares. In fact, this bank actually have a capability to lower their net interest margin. That's all from our study. Further research should be conducted to focus more on off-balance sheet activities. Thank you.